Anyone who has spent more than 5 minutes on LinkedIn recently has seen it. The flood of zero-effort, automated replies. These generic replies happen because developers try to solve complex social interactions with a single, monolithic large language model prompt. When you force a single pass to read, analyze, and write all at once, the output defaults to the statistical mean, producing context-blind filler. Deploying these primitive wrappers does more harm than good. In high-stakes networking environments, a hallucinated or tone-deaf comment actively damages your professional reputation. Achieving genuine context awareness requires moving away from these monoliths. We have to adopt multi-agent architectures. High-value generative AI requires engineering systems where distinct agents analyze the input, plan a strategy, and critically review their own work before a human ever sees the final output. That is exactly the engineering approach behind the LinkedIn AI Comment Copilot. This image shows the Chrome extension in action. It parses the platform's heavily obfuscated DOM and injects a clean Generate AI Comment button directly into the action bar of the post. The user interaction is straightforward. Before generation, you select from 10 distinct comment tones, ranging from analytical to supportive, matching the specific context of the conversation. The system then generates a highly contextual response. Here, we see the pop-up card displaying a 34-word tailored comment, ready for one-click insertion. Built by engineer Himanshu Kumar, this repository demonstrates the architectural control required to bridge the gap between a hobbyist prompt and a production-ready tool. Making a highly orchestrated tool feel this frictionless on the front end requires a rigorously engineered, completely stateless backend. To understand how this operates, we need to look past the browser interface and examine the infrastructure bridging the client to the model layer. This sequence diagram maps the internal network topology. The process begins when the content script extracts the post's text from the DOM and sends a generate command to the browser's background worker. From there, the background worker orchestrates a post request directly to the Fast API server, passing along the content and the selected tone. The Fast API backend is designed to be entirely stateless. There is no user authentication overhead and no database layer storing session data or user profiles. Bypassing data storage ensures strict user privacy by default, while simultaneously stripping out the latency and server costs associated with database reads and writes. For browser to LLM pipelines, a stateless, real-time architecture provides strict security and immediate scalability. Once the payload reaches the server, it enters a LangGraph orchestration layer. This framework replaces a traditional linear API call with a stateful, cyclical graph of specialized agents. Looking at this component diagram, the process centers around the comment state schema. This object holds the post content and tone and is passed dynamically between nodes as the workflow progresses. The first node is the analyzer agent. It processes the raw text to classify the post category and sentiment, anchoring the rest of the system in the actual context of the thread. Next, the planner agent receives that analysis. It cross-references the user's selected tone with the sentiment data to map out a specific rhetorical strategy. That strategy is then handed to the writer agent, which synthesizes the instructions into a natural, high-quality draft comment. Finally, the reviewer agent acts as an autonomous quality assurance gate. It evaluates the draft against the original strategy. If the score falls short, it triggers a logic loop, sending the draft back for revision. Compartmentalizing these cognitive tasks allows for granular control over the logic and tone, achieving a level of precision that single prompt systems cannot match. Running 4 agents for every user request creates a tension between API latency, token cost, and final output quality. To solve this, the system uses smart model routing. On the right side of this architecture diagram, you can see that the analyzer and planner nodes are routed to Google's Gemini 2.5 Flash model. These tasks require fast, low-cost deterministic data extraction rather than deep creative nuance. Conversely, the writer and reviewer nodes require heavy parameter creative generation and critique. They are routed to Llama 3.3 70B, running on Grok's high-speed inference hardware. The reviewer agent grades the draft on relevance, human likeness, and a spam metric. If the score drops below an 80-point threshold, the draft is rejected. This flowchart illustrates that exact error handling path. A rejected comment triggers the recovery flow, looping back to the writer node to regenerate the text entirely, without the user ever noticing the failure. By utilizing Light LLM to proxy these requests across different providers, the system isolates the heavy lifting to the models best suited for the job. Matching the exact model size to the specific cognitive demand of the node optimizes the frontier of cost and performance. The difference between a prototype and a production AI system comes down to observability, the ability to inspect and debug the inference black box. This screenshot displays the LangSmith dashboard. It provides full trace visibility for every request moving through the multi-agent pipeline. The interface logs the step-by-step latency, the exact token usage per node, and the specific state of the payload at every transition. This terminal output confirms the local operational health, showing the Unicorn server initializing and confirming that the LangSmith tracing is actively capturing data for the project. High-end Gen AI development treats large language models as measurable, debuggable software components rather than unpredictable mysteries. This project banner summarizes the complete architecture: a fast API backend orchestrating LangGraph workflows, connected to a Chrome Manifest v3 extension, and routed intelligently across Gemini and Grok hardware. This application demonstrates precise control over agentic orchestration, cost-optimized model routing, and secure, stateless API management. For engineering managers and technical recruiters evaluating talent in the AI space, architectures like this separate applied engineering from basic prompting. You can examine the open-source code on GitHub and connect directly with Himanshu Kumar on LinkedIn and X. The future of software engineering lies in orchestrating systems of intelligent agents.